Good evening, and thank you for joining us for Western Mass News at 10. I'm Briseda Landaverde, and Sarah Gurnelli is off tonight. Massachusetts has been approved for a federal grant that will provide financial assistance to residents unemployed during the coronavirus pandemic. Western Mass News reporter Lindsay Kane joins us in studio with more on what families can expect. Lindsay?
The federal grant will provide unemployed Massachusetts residents with an additional $300 a week on top of their weekly unemployment benefit from the state. But a local expert tells me the money will not last long.
Massachusetts has been approved for funding from a grant from the Federal Emergency Management Administration under the Lost Wages Assistance Program, providing unemployed workers with an extra $300 a week in federal funds on top of their weekly unemployment benefit from the state.
They should automatically be sent, or the money go into your bank account depending on how you're already having it done.
Earlier this month, President Trump signed an executive order providing $44 billion from FEMA's Disaster Relief Fund to support unemployed Americans. This comes after the previous $600 weekly federal aid expired, and the House and the Senate have not yet reached an agreement on a new stimulus package.
$4 billion sounds huge, but when you start spreading out among the states, it means at best probably 3 weeks worth of additional money. So it's going to come and go pretty fast.
Economic expert Carl Petrick tells Western Mass News over the phone that this is a very partial fix to people's financial worries. And he says there's no time frame on when people can expect the money in their pockets.
It's pretty tricky for states with their unemployment systems to handle a new system. We saw this with the $600 benefit, which did go through unemployment. So there might be some time involved before the money flows.
Petrick says in order to qualify to receive the aid, you need to have been unemployed prior to August 1st. You also need to be receiving at least $100 in weekly unemployment benefits from the state.
Anybody who's filed, as of, say, this week, wouldn't be guaranteed access to the money. It depends on how much is available. Because this is a federal program, so the more states that opt in and more states are opting in, the less of the money is available per state.
And if you qualify, he says, be prepared for the checks to stop faster than they came.
This money probably will run out before Congress reconvenes.
According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, Massachusetts has the highest unemployment rate in the country. The jobless rate for the month of July was over 16%. In studio, Lindsay Kane, Western Mass News.